Hello, I'm Dr. Gordon Pedersen with Healthy Chocolate Discoveries. This week, the discovery is inflammation can occur anywhere. Look at this mouth. Look at his whole side, his whole back. That's what inflammation looks like. And guess what? That's what it looks like in your brain, in your heart, in your intestines, or anywhere else that you get an inflammatory response. Yet cocoa, if it contains the right antioxidants, is going to help modulate inflammation. It can help modulate them in the arteries, according to Harvard, in the nerves, according to the Journal of Neurology, in the immune system, according to the Clinical Experimental Immunology Journal, cognition, depression, anxiety, autoimmune arthritis, according to the British Journal of Nutrition, stress, blood pressure, tumor necrosis factor, that means even at the cellular level of your immune system, overweight issues, diabetes issues, cholesterol issues, colorectal and lung cancer, according to the Journal of National Cancer Institute, published that all of these are caused by inflammation. And all of this inflammation can be modulated by the proper polyphenol-rich, dark, healthy chocolate. Let's take a look at one step farther called autoimmunity, where your body is attacking yourself and giving you diseases that just seem to keep going on and on and on, like psoriasis and allergies that just don't ever seem to go away. Well, let's take a look at this and realize that autoimmunity and allergies are attenuated by cocoa diets. That means tuned down. And it takes 4 weeks. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 4 weeks on a diet of high chocolate or a high polyphenol chocolate diet helped reduce serum inflammatory biomarkers and adhesion molecules. That means in your arteries, in your joints, in your brain. In addition, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition publishes that dark, healthy chocolate can modulate the immune system by modifying the composition and function of lymphoid tissue, especially gut-associated lymphoid tissue, where most of your inflammation comes from. If you have Crohn's disease or inflammatory bowel, or if you're allergic to milk or wheat, this is significant because dark, healthy chocolate is tuning down that inflammation. According to the Molecular Nutrition and Food Research Journal, intestinal crosstalk between microbiota, that means the healthy bacteria, can now communicate with the lining of your intestines in the presence of dark, healthy chocolate. And what happened is you get increases and improvement in the person's reduction of inflammation, not only in their gut, but in their bloodstream, which means throughout their entire body. So you can see some miraculous reduction in inflammation at the immune cell level, at the intestinal level, and even in the bloodstream level when it is already transferred from the gut. So you can tune down inflammation wherever it goes throughout the body with the proper polyphenol-rich, dark, healthy chocolate. So let's take a look at this inflammation. It can occur anywhere at any time in your body, but inflammation responds to consistent doses of healthy chocolate. I choose 1 serving every 5 hours. That's a great way to keep a high level up. In this diagram, you've got inflammation in yellow here. Inflammation triggers arthritis. Inflammation triggers diabetes 2. Inflammation triggers Alzheimer, cardiovascular disease, cancer, pulmonary diseases, neurological diseases, and autoimmune diseases. In fact, inflammation can be the cause of about 80% of all chronic debilitating disease. Yet, dark, healthy chocolate can attenuate that inflammation that's causing that problem. So, if it were me, I would take dark, healthy chocolate in my diet every 5 hours so I can support my body with the proper antioxidants, the proper polyphenols that have the body working with me and my diet to tune down inflammation. and inflammation that's tuned down is a disease you prevented. I'm Dr. Gordon Pedersen with Healthy Chocolate Discoveries.